Imagine a city built not on Earth, but on the barren, dusty surface of the moon, a thriving hub where astronauts live, work, and prepare humanity for deeper space exploration. NASA is not just sending astronauts to visit anymore. They're making plans to build a permanent lunar city. But how will they do this on a world with no atmosphere, bone-chilling cold, and relentless cosmic radiation? Today on VibeVerse, we unravel NASA's ambitious blueprint for turning the lunar surface into humanity's next home. Welcome to VibeVerse, the crossroads of science and mystery. The Artemis program marks humanity's essential return to the moon after half a century. But the goal is far beyond planting flags. NASA aims to construct a permanent lunar settlement by 2040. This won't be easy. The moon's environment is incredibly hostile. No breathable air, temperature swings from blazing heat to freezing cold, and deadly radiation from space. Yet NASA's engineers, scientists, and international partners have crafted innovative solutions to overcome these challenges and build the first lunar city. Fact 1. Choosing the location, the lunar South Pole. Like the Apollo missions that landed near the moon's equator, NASA plans to build the city near the lunar South Pole. This region is critical because it contains shadows where ice deposits exist. Water ice is essential for drinking, oxygen, and rocket fuel. The South Pole also has areas exposed to near constant sunlight, ideal for solar power generation, solving the city's energy needs. Fact 2. Using lunar resources inside a resource utilization (ISRU). Transporting materials from Earth is costly and impractical for building large structures on the moon. NASA's strategy relies heavily on ISRU, using local materials such as lunar regolith, the dust and rocks covering the moon's surface, to 3D print habitats, roads, and these regolith-derived bricks and layers will protect inhabitants from micrometeorites and cosmic rays, creating a strong fortress against the harsh environment. Fact 3. Modular habitat design. The foundation surface habitat. NASA has designed the foundation surface habitat, a 3-story lunar home combining a metal framework with inflatable modules. This habitat supports 4 astronauts for about a month, featuring airlocks, avasuit storage, science labs, hygiene, and exercise areas. The inflatable sections enable compact launch sizes, but expand upon arrival, giving astronauts more room to live and work safely. Fact 4. Sustainable life support systems. Water recycling, oxygen generation, and food production are critical for long-term lunar living. NASA plans closed-loop life support systems that recycle water vapor, urine, and waste into clean water and breathable air. Researchers are developing hydroponics and possibly algae-based food systems that grow crops under artificial lighting inside habitats, reducing reliance on costly resupply missions from Earth. Fact 5. Energy solutions. Fusion and solar power. The lunar city will harness solar power using massive arrays strategically placed on sunlit peaks. However, the long lunar night lasting about 14 Earth days demands backup energy. NASA is actively researching compact nuclear fusion and fission reactors capable of delivering continuous power to keep life support and critical systems running, especially during darkness. Fact 6. Transportation and mobility. Astronauts will explore and operate on the lunar surface using pressurized rovers and autonomous robots. NASA plans to have specialized vehicles for construction, scientific exploration, and resource transport. Additionally, a lunar elevator concept is under study to lift payloads and materials from the surface to orbiting stations to facilitate supply chains. Fact 7. Protecting against radiation and meteorites. The moon lacks a protective atmosphere and magnetic field that shields Earth from cosmic and solar radiation. NASA's architectural designs include regolith-covered shelters and underground lava tubes, naturally shielding occupants. Researchers are testing advanced radiation-absorbing materials and magnetic shielding technologies to ensure crew safety. Fact 8. The lunar city as a stepping stone to Mars. NASA aims to use the lunar base not as an end, but as a launchpad for Mars missions. The lessons learned will prepare humans for longer, more challenging missions to Mars and beyond. Conclusion. Building a city on the moon is no longer science fiction. It's a bold, challenging plan underway, blending advanced technology with innovative engineering to conquer one of the most hostile environments humanity has faced. NASA's lunar city will not just be a lunar outpost, it will be humanity's foothold into the solar system, unlocking the next chapter of exploration. This is VibeVerse, where we bring the unknown frontiers of space closer to you. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into space's biggest mysteries and missions. Humanity's future is among the stars, beginning now on the moon.